our G63 AMG 2016 edition 463. This has pretty much every extra thrown at it by Mercedes when they released them, and they up the horsepower to the same as the current 2019 G63s. Got the better AMG wheels. See, 4 exhausts, 2 on each side. We've had all the calipers rebuilt and repainted and re-stenciled. New genuine OEM Mercedes front discs. New pads, of course. New Pirelli all-season tyres, so the car will be perfect in all weathers. Even the exhaust heat shields have been polished. The car's been fully detailed, wax coated and protected. Even the windscreens had the rain repellent put on. You get all the nice features of the Edition 463, such as the grills on the headlights. You get adaptive cruise control on this. There's the radar sensor. You've got the stainless steel kick plate at the front there. Sump guard, I should say. So you get a lot of nice options. All the windows are, you've got all the privacy glass on the windows. The fronts have been lightly tinted as well. You've got the vents there. The V8 BiTurbo AMG badges. All the bodywork's like an absolute mirror, as it's all been properly detailed by our detailer to perfection. On a mark on it now. To be fair, it was pretty good before, but it still had the usual sort of swirl marks and light marks that you get from just daily use. Look at the shine on that. It's literally like looking in a mirror. This has got the 2019 smoked LED lights as well at the back. Just updates the look. All the badges in the back have been smoked as well. So it just looks that bit more stealth than standard. At the back you've got the AMG sills, diamond quilting to the door card. Got the various load space covers, first aid kit, and then you've got the Alcantara headlining. Okay. The backlit AMG sills there, the leather edged carpet mats that come with the car. Got the lovely carbon fibre weave to the leather with the diamond quilting in the centre. Got the sunroof and rear media carbon fibre weave again to the door cards with the diamond quilting beneath. And Harman Kardon sound system, heated seats at the back as well. These doors are very heavy, not the easiest things to close. Just switch the lights off. Got the Harman Kardon carbon fibre there. Again, this is all unique to the Edition 463 with contrast stitching. Backlit plates there. AMG badging to the centre of the seats. So all this has been properly detailed, so there's no, see, look at that, it's not shiny anymore, it's nice and matte. Got a lovely gloss carbon fibre finish to all the centre. All the diff locks there, handbrake, all the seat controls. It really is an absolute stunning bit of kit, this car. And that's pretty much it, ladies and gents. And let's see if we can get the bonnet open possibly. We can do a little view of the engine. But I'm not quite sure where the release is on this, so we will skip that bit till I can find it. Okay. Edition 463 G63 AMG signing out.